today I have Juliana with me again. She seems to be a frequent star in my videos. Hi. And today we will be doing an Italian taste test. Taste test. Oh yeah, we have like handy dandy little Italian shirts on. Mine is on backwards, but it's okay. And her grandma recently went to Italy and we're both Italian, so we just thought it would be a great idea to try some candies and treats that she brought back from Italy and show you our responses. We've never tried any of these things before. They're gonna be a big surprise to us. So let's just see how it goes.
So we're doing a rating scale 0 to 10, 0 being the worst and 10 being the best. And we're doing it based on how much we like these. So this first snack is chips.
Crick Crock.
Barbecue flavored.
They kind of look like Pringles.
They're the same like kind of packaging as Pringles.
Pringles.
Chris Kringle.
Oh, they're just kind of thrown in there.
Like so.
They don't smell like barbecue. Let's taste them. I actually kind of like that.
I like that. I actually don't mind it at all.
I usually hate barbecue, but this tastes like good. I wish they sold these in America.
I think I'm gonna have to give this like probably like a 7.
I'd say 8.
I like these.
So next we have these Kinder
Sorpresa.
Sorpresa. Yes, I'm very fluent in Italian, as you can tell. Chocolate eggs. We're just gonna split one because I don't know what to expect.
So this is pretty large.
It's like a life-size egg, right? Is there something inside?
There is.
Oh my god.
A Sorpresa.
What is this?
Open it.
It's like a little, oh my god, it's like a little secret chamber with a surprise inside. Surprise! Oh!
What is that?
Looks like the wheels of it, like a tank type
Ooh.
thing. And like random plastic parts.
Good
So I assume you assemble this. And it's supposed to be sprinty. Like, I'm guessing this is an action figure in Italy or something. Is it like white chocolate inside and like regular? Ooh.
I'm eating this whole thing. I'm very eating it.
What you gonna do with that dessert? Do what, dee da dee da dee da. Do what, do da dee da do da dee da. Do.
I don't know if I'd actually buy this, but it's cute for kids. I'd probably give it like, oh no, I'd give it a 7.
I'd give it a 6.
So our next snack is not a candy, obviously. And it looks like these are bruschetta flavored, like mini
Breads.
like kind of like the things that you find in Chex Mix, like the little
Yes,
bread things, but they're flavored. I guess they're bruschetta flavored.
There's a pepper on it, so maybe they have like a hint of pepper or something. Ew. I kind of like it. I wasn't so sure at first, but I actually kind of like it. I just like those things. It's like orangey. Oh, it's zesty.
Like if you took a breadstick from Olive Garden and hardened it, this is probably what it would be. I'm gonna give that 5.
I'll give it a 4. Not a fan.
So we have another can of chips. Seems like they really like to can their chips, which is actually really smart because you get a bag and like mushes up and just falls into pieces.
Whoa, these are like Pringles. These are.
Oh, they are,
like
except they're not like in a stack.
Yeah, they're not in an. Oh my god! These are not in a neat and organized stack, but
it's weird because there's something about it.
it tastes like kind of kettle-y. Kettle-y? Is that a word? Like kettle corn? They don't really taste like Pringles.
I'm trying to look at the ingredients. Salty snack. Ingredients.
But
It looks like dried potatoes.
zucchini.
Nope, that would be sugar.
Oh.
Not zucchini. Salt.
Oh, they have it in English.
All right.
See your patents. I'd give that like a 7.
I'd give it an 8. I kind of like those a little bit better. So we have another pan of chips.
They're like the same thing.
But it's the same thing except it looks like it has maybe spicy flavors.
It smells like mac and cheese.
Oh, it kind of does.
It kind of tastes like a peanut.
Yeah, it does. It tastes like a peanut chip. I don't really think I like this.
It's not bad, but really.
Savory snack paprika taste.
Paprika.
Paprika. I don't know. I'd give that like a 6. I don't really like that one.
I'd give it a 7. Not really sure what this is.
Paprika taste? What is with all this paprika?
I didn't know that was an Italian thing.
They're not the color I expected.
Oh,
what the heck?
They're like They're like bright orange. They look like little eggs, like peanut size. I don't know.
Oh, it smells like a peanut. Is it a peanut?
What a? It's like Chinese food. Whoa. Isn't it?
Yeah.
This is so cool. And there's a peanut inside, I think.
This is literally Chinese food. Like,
Yeah, like that was gonna taste like Chinese food, and then you get to the inside and it's like a peanut.
it's the weirdest thing I've ever tasted in my life.
Tastes like cheesy wasabi.
It is like cheesy wasabi. I'm gonna give this a 7.
I'd say 7.
It seems like I'm giving things 7 like a lot. Whatever.
Ooh.
Our next snack actually came in a bag this time.
Dixie's.
Dixie. And it looks like they're oven made. They're cheese puffs. It's corn puffs with cheese.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. They're not orange. They're like light orange.
Oh, they're like the knockoff of Ranchitos. Where the heck is the taste?
It literally just dissolved in my tongue.
I kind of like these a lot actually.
Like, they don't have, their snacks aren't like as salty and like as flavored as ours.
I mean, those peanut ones were really flavored.
Yeah.
Because if you like the way.
Okay, so we have another Kinder product. It looks like a chocolate bar with like a white filling. Not sure if that's
Well, I think it's milk. Because there's
Oh,
like a
right,
glass
right.
of milk next to it.
that would make sense. They
Yes.
come in like unique little wrapped packages. Yeah, so it's definitely like some type of milk product inside. Tastes like white chocolate.
I don't like white chocolate, so
I like white chocolate.
I mean-
it's pretty good.
I'd give it an 8 or a 9.
I'd say 9. Well done, Kinder.
The next one is sticky. They look like French fries.
They look like sweet potato fries.
Oh yeah, kind of. Oh my god, they're a lot smaller.
Oh, they're like little skinny French fries.
They are so much smaller than I expected them to be.
Like little sticks. Wow. And they look like French fries. Oh!
Yep. I could eat about 20 of these
I'm tasting.
or more. They remind me of like a dried fry. Ew. I have to give this 9.5.
I'd give these a 6.
What?
Not too much of a fan.
And lastly, we are going to try crackers, Pomodoro, a grana padano dope.
Tomato something?
Yep, tomatoes and cheese. It's gonna be like an herby kind of thing. Herbalicious.
Burgerlicious definition make them boys go loco.
Like they're the same shape as a saltine.
Tastes kind of bland. Not in a bad way.
I'm not really feeling this.
They're not bad.
I just don't really like the flavor. Tastes
Doesn't-
like
Doesn't taste like much.
an oyster cracker.
Yeah. So what would you say your favorite thing was?
I'm not gonna lie, other than the French fry things, I'm starting to reconsider my rating on the first,
Yeah.
the barbecue. Those were pretty good.
I'd say my favorite was the Kinder. That's with the milk thing inside. Whatever that was.
The milk chocolate. Okay. Good crumbs all over. Yep.
Is this a good look for me?
That time you coughed in my ear and I screamed.
So that's going to complete the Italian taste test, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to comment down below, because these types of videos are really, really fun to film. I love challenges and just really fun videos. Or if you have any other ideas, also comment that as well. If you're not subscribed, be sure to do that. And give a big round of applause for Juliana. And I'll see you next time. Bye!